Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add search bar in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, and after that you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com, and then you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page. From here what you need to do is simply click on the edit site option, and after that it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar, and after that what you need to search is search option. From here let's search for the search bar from here, and here you can see you're looking for the search bar, and here you can see you have already got the search option. Just simply take it and place it to the place that you would like to place, and here you can see you have already got the search bar here. So that's how you can easily place a search bar in your website. It is as simple as that, guys. Just you have to place the blocks option from here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.